What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and as you can see, whales are accumulating. And the price of Shiba Inu coin is still doing very well. You can see right here that SHIB is testing resistance at this 1900 to 2000 point per coin area. Wicks up to about 1950, wicks up to about 1990, wicks up to 1990 again. And if you missed the video from this morning, it's having so much trouble breaking through this 2000 point per coin area because 11.5 trillion Shiba Inu coin are breaking even right here. And of course, anytime people are going in and out of the money, they get nervous, they begin to sell, they get a little 1% gain, and they're like, I gotta take my profit, man. You guys get it, right? Now, a lot of you have been holding. You've been doing exactly what you should if you want to see the major breakout. But once we break through this level of resistance, once the 11.5 trillion Shiba Inu coin are in the hands of people who are willing to hold it, SHIB could explode higher. So let's talk about what the analysts think here, and let's talk about a 7,400% increase in whale accumulation. It says Shiba Inu coin could follow Dogecoin's footsteps and rise by 4x after SHIB whale accumulation has skyrocketed 7,400% in the past 7 days. Whale accumulation is a signal of large investors, and large investors are confident in the crypto asset and are anticipating that the price will move up in the future. Shiba Inu coin's price is hovering around 1876 after dropping 0.9% in the last 24 hours, mimicking Dogecoin's price treatment or retracement. Shiba Inu coin has been a lackluster during this electioneering period, whatever electioneering is, election period, but massive whale accumulation signals may be about to change that. Shiba Inu coin's whales sense something is about to happen, and they've been loading up on the token massively over the past week. Data from Into the Block shows that whales have increased their holdings in SHIB by 7,469% just in the last 7 days. Although the monthly net flow is still down 3,000% compared to the last month, the increase over the last week suggests that the trend is changing. This is confirmed by a spike in large whale holder transaction count, which increased from 53 transactions to 324 transactions. This suggests that large investors are keenly interested in Shiba Inu coin because they anticipate that the price may surge. Now you've got crypto analysts talking about an 8,100 point per coin price prediction. According to this analyst, Shiba Inu coin's relative strength index confirms a falling wedge bull pattern on the daily chart. If his assessment is correct, this will constitute a 4x rally from the current price. Now, Shiba Inu coin's barriers for it to break that 4x increase. Shiba Inu coin's assets broken out into a symmetrical triangle, and the triangle is within a 4-month range with resistance at 2050 and support at 1260. I hope the days of 1260 are behind us, guys. It says the price is currently hovering with the upper resistance, R1 of the triangle, and the further volume would be needed to break above the overhead resistance at 2050. If it breaks that, 2,800. If it breaks that, 3,200. My line's at 35. And they're roughly all-time highs. 8,100 points per coin. Guys, Shiba Inu coin is in a fantastic position right now. And I do believe that this is what we're going to expect to see. And we might actually be seeing it already. Check this out. Let's go fully up to date here so that you guys can see this. And for those of you that have been paying attention for a while, you understand how important an uptick in November is going to be. Right now, you can see that, well, we were stagnant in September, October at a level of 4. Go back to the previous bull market. September, October, stagnant at a level of 7. Go back to the previous bull market. September, October, stagnant at a level of 15. But what happened in 2017? You see November tick up to 29, and then the bull market rips. You see November tick up to a level of 11, and then the bull market rips. Guys, September, October's been stagnant, and already November's ticking up, and we're only 7 days in. If November ticks up, this could be leading to the bull market rally. This could be leading to the rip that we've been waiting for the last 3 years. Now, you might be sitting out there saying, dude, I'm not ready. I haven't been buying the dips. What? I mean, we've been talking about buying dips for 3 years. So I don't know what to tell you about that. But I do want to say this. It is not too late, right? If you could have gotten in here in November of 2017 and rode the rally in December, you would have been a genius. If you would have done the same thing in 2021, right? 2020 leading into 2021. Buying Dogecoin. Remember, if you would have bought Dogecoin November of 2020 and rode it up to 70 cents, March, April, May of 2021, you would have been a genius. Guys, if that's what we're about to experience with November's uptick, you're going to be a stinking genius. You know, guys like me, we're going to get called lucky because we were able to survive a 3-year treacherous bear market. Everybody's going to go out there and say, oh, the lucky guys were able to buy and accumulate. It has nothing to do with that, and you know it. If you've been here for the last 3 years, you know that it has not been easy. You know that retail emotions are always high, and it is very difficult to survive a bear market. But if you're just stepping into the game, you could be one of those true, I'm just a happy-go-lucky idiot that bought right before the bull market. Look at the pattern. If November ticks up, and if interest rates continue to be lowered, guys, we could be in the month prior to the bull market starting. And if you need to accumulate, the KSEC centralized exchange is available here in the United States. They have the best selection of meme coins. I started using these guys about 3 weeks ago because, of course, the meme coin selection is phenomenal for a centralized exchange. But if you guys want to use it and you use the affiliate link that's in the description or the pinned comment, you get a 370 USDT deposit bonus for filling out the tasks.